Hi there! In today's video, I'll show you how to set up Equalizer on your JBL TuneFlex. Let's get started. As a first step, you would need to download the JBL Headphones app and then add your device in it. Here I can see my headphones, so I'll simply click on it. Then scroll down until you'll find this tab which is named Equalizer. Click on this little arrow on the right edge and enable it by clicking on this slider. As you can see, we got here some presets for different genres of music, for example jazz, vocal, bass, club and studio. But we can also create our custom preset. For that, we would need to click on this plus, and here is it. The first thing that we can see here is just some line and also low, mid, high text. What does it mean? So we have these 4 lines, which is the low frequencies, these 4 lines, which is the mid frequencies, and these 4 is the high frequencies. Mostly the low frequencies are responsible for the bass, mid ones are responsible half for the vocals and for the instruments, and the high ones for the vocals. So to adjust the equalizer, we would need to put our finger on any line that you would like to adjust and move it to the upper side or to the bottom side. So as you can see, we can move it like this. And for example, if I would like to make the bass more noticeable, I will move these 4 lines a little bit higher. And for example, I want to reduce instruments, so I will move these 4 lower. And also about the vocals, let's make them a little bit noticeable. Just like this. And after you are done creating your own preset, you just simply click on this button Save, and now you have your own preset. Also, the best way how to create your custom preset if you don't really know something about the frequencies is to turn on your favorite songs, and then while the song is playing in your earbuds, you can try to adjusting the equalizer to hear the difference. And this is it. I hope this video was helpful for you, and thank you so much for watching.